Here we are again. Welcome back. So now we're going to make our lunch. A quiche. Quiche.
Allez, quiche pour les Français.
So remember we made pastry?
Yes.
Well, we are using half of the pastry dough.
So if you did follow our recipe before,
you do it. Okay.
I'll talk as you roll.
Oh, okay.
All you do is cut the pastry dough in half, and you can leave the other half in the fridge, or you can make 2 quiches.
Right.
What you want to do is flour the counter,
Right.
and also put a little bit of flour on the rolling pin, and you want to keep flipping the pastry dough, because if you forget that people...
Wonderful commentary.
You know, right?
Yeah, very good.
So you want to keep flipping, and it can stick sometimes, which is why you want to add
the flour. There.
So then you fold the pie dough in half, and then you transfer it into the pie plate.
Right.
Like so.
Like so. Comme ça.
It's not very pretty though.
No, not yet.
Once you've put the pie crust in the pie plate, set that aside.
Well, I'm just trimming the edges though.
It's okay.
Next.
Eggs. Des œufs. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. We're gonna do 6.
A little bit of milk or cream or whipping cream if you like.
Depending on how rich you want it.
Right.
So this is about a 1/4 cup.
Right.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
That's a bit less than a 1/4 cup.
I don't know.
We
I'm
always
not
eyeball
precise.
things.
And while Elisa's mixing that up, I'm quickly slicing some tomatoes. The thing I like about quiche is you can put whatever you like with it.
We are making a tomato, goat cheese,
cheddar
cheese
quiche. I've already taken the little top parts off the tomatoes. I like it tomatoey, so we're putting a nice handful of cherry tomatoes. Plus, we're going to put a little bit of green onion in.
You can just slice the green onion.
Yeah, just for flavor.
Salt. This is to taste. Fresh cracked pepper. Mix her up nice.
Put your ingredients in
First.
Yeah. Yummers.
And then pour the eggs in.
Yeah. Wait, let's put our cheese in.
Okay. This is as you go, you know?
Right.
Take our goat cheese and crumble it all over.
And then we're going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese, which we have blended
We've washed our hands.
numerous times. Or you can use Romano cheese and gorgonzola,
Any cheese you want,
anything.
really.
And other things you can put in a bit of ham or peppers.
This is basically all we have in the fridge right now, so that's why.
Salt and pepper it again. There, why are we stretching like this when we can just move it over here? And we'll fix our edge like this.
A little more salt,
More cracked pepper.
more cracked pepper, because I love it.
And then 400 for 20 minutes.
Yeah,
Perfect.
check on it.
Yummers.
See you.
See you in a bit.
Can dream when we're away. Let's be quiet.
Time to take the quiche out.
It's been a little over 20 minutes at 400.
Okay.
So let's check it out with our glass.
Yummers.
And there you have it. What's a way to tell if it's finished?
Well, see, it's a tiny bit bouncy.
Yeah.
But that's good. You don't want it jiggly.
It's perfect. There
Yeah.
you go. A goat cheese, cheddar cheese, tomato quiche.
Yum.
Bon appetit.
Let's have lunch.